Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Xterra headlight bulb, only ways. Park on level ground, disconnect the battery, and open the hood. Start with the side you will replace first. Remove the battery cover or air intake if it blocks access, then twist the headlight connector counterclockwise and pull straight out. Handle the new 55W bulb by the base only and reverse steps to reinstall with care. Start by locating the headlight socket behind the assembly and clearing any obstructing components carefully. Use a Phillips screwdriver or ratchet to remove bolts holding the battery tray or intake if they block access. Once the area is clear, press the connector tab, pull the wiring harness straight out, and twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to free the bulb from the housing. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker gives crisp audio for follow-along videos and fits any workspace, making hands-free instructions easier. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up if you like it, then now let's get back to the video. With gloves on, take the new bulb and align its tabs to the socket opening, making sure orientation matches the old bulb. Insert the bulb gently until it seats fully, then twist the socket clockwise until it locks in place. Reconnect the wiring harness, reconnect the battery, and test the headlight beam for proper aim before reinstalling any removed components and securing all fasteners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.